FastDraw Freedom Hose Kit makes using the FastDraw Freedom even easier. The hose kit comes pre-assembled with everything you need. 1. Male and female quick connect. 2. Shutoff valve. 3. 6-foot durable hose. It takes only a few simple steps to use the hose kit. First, thread female hose end onto the water source. Then, thread male quick connect onto FastDraw Freedom. Rotate knob to either spray bottle or mop bucket position. Always use the mop bucket position for foaming applications. Connect hose and shutoff valve assembly to FastDraw Freedom. Make sure shutoff valve is in the off position. Thread cap of FastDraw Freedom onto any FastDraw bottle. Fully open hot and cold water valves. Open the hose kit shutoff valve and dispense product. Always shut off water supply completely when not using the FastDraw Freedom. For more information, call 888-GO-BETCO. Contact your local regional manager or visit betco.com.